So yesterday, as we know, Theresa May officially fired the Brexit starting gun. By April 2019, the UK will be out of the European Union. Let's, as you say, have a look at the market reaction, which was fairly muted. Yesterday, the FTSE 100 closed up around 0.5%, down a little bit today. That in part because the pound was down slightly yesterday. It's down a little bit more. Oh, it's actually recovered in the last half an hour since WEX ended, up a fraction today, essentially flat today. Clearly, the invoking of Article 50 was well telegraphed. The bigger recent factor relating to the timing of Brexit for markets was in fact back on March the 13th, when the Brexit bill finally passed all stages of the legislative process in the UK and thereby allowed Theresa May the choice of when to invoke Article 50. The interesting response in sterling since then, since early March, is a move to the upside, suggesting that Brexit-related factors on their own are already priced in. That's a longer-term chart, but in terms of the reaction, as you can see right at the end there in early March, we've seen the pound rally over the last 2 or 3 weeks. As for the tone and content of Theresa May's letter and speech yesterday, for the most part, it's being seen as firm but positive and forward-looking, apart from one much focused on line where May said, quote, "Our security arrangements would obviously lapse if we left the EU without a deal." Many taking this as a threat from the Prime Minister that the UK would cease to offer its very highly regarded support on security should the EU play hardball on a future trade deal. The government fiercely denying they're playing with people's lives this morning on that particular talking point. Just to broaden out, I should mention that yesterday we also, of course, saw a dollar strength broadly against the euro as well, softer yesterday. Guys?
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.